Eh? Eh? That's Kokolati. Give her a chance. Mama Deyo. Just sit with me. I ain't got to live. I ain't got to live. Yeah, that's Coconut Long Tea. Give her a chance. Ọ̀rẹ́ sẹ́tì bẹ́ẹ̀ náà wà tí yán yára wípò ní ya fẹ́fẹ́fẹ́fẹ́ àbípò náà ya fẹ́fẹ́fẹ́fẹ́ kè náà sẹ́kè náà rámẹ́ náà ríwé láì fídíò ní wà tí yán ya fẹ́fẹ́fẹ́ rẹ̀ wàhálà mi yàn wé social media president tí yàn their attention is needed immediately. Mama Deyo. That's Cocolette nothing. I wanna hear the big bay. Cause I wanna move. I wanna sooner. Move. Don't live. We're already last in the move. Boy, Cocolette now. Wage video na wage vara. Wage take the vara yi. Yeah. What are we going to? All the social media presenter women. Wanna call all of them. Starting from Monica, Lolo, Opaika, Rita, Odonwelemi, Odionlove. Iya yekeni sekeni aname. When you am young bad young that what you way or go get silly here they are all invited to the men talk show table. You going to you? Eh? You going to you? I greet all of you now. Good evening. Why be me? Why be dollar? Why here at all? Why is it that two are told? Who does that at all? And I am la hoye. Maybe not one more. Kina wewe me kina wewe wa ya to iwe wa ya unda wa mo wa ya ki o iwe wa ya ki wa to unda we he mo suro hirinya ga biya hibininya biya e ya nya je ya ga mo wirinya wa ya to e love it osa se mi na gba mo we gbe o we ni ya wina my sister my brother my lover I dey look for job if you care where for the clean may you show me make I go work understand. Wato koyo when I'm a winner he came in on winner na kwenu we watch live video again na oni ri mu awe e mi na we yi igbo wa na la wa popa wato my brother I greet you Kenny now ma you be made I give you chance after you now you baba with a smile who are you me ali babi ri ni eni gba ne gbe oko wa hato. There's a reason for me inviting them to this platform today to diagnose the words of wisdom to them. You understand? By inviting Yari. Yeah. I greet all of them who are here at all. Not too much. We ain't boy about with a smile. We say, you know you go ma, you born for me. We say, Wahiato. What are you going to live video presenters? When I invited, this is a message to all the female live video presenters. I'm not talking about the male. I think Wala. I think Raw, I think Yeki, Ireki, Otieki. I will back on your squad association. I will kill Kewaria here. Osunde, Ubekia, Akure, Watia here. Women watching here, Yami Badia. Oh, what will I say? What here, the attention is needed, you know. If possible, then we pin in the Bible, let them call me, you know. Let them call me. Let them call me. Me want to go on. No support. What give my role circle? No. Oh. I greet you, Destiny Boy. What all? Please invite all our Benin female presenters, our Benin female live video presenters. Invite them here. The social media president will speak to them. We want to diagnose words of wisdom to them. Invite all the female presenters here. Their attention is needed, please. Franco Sars, I greet you. May I give you a chance. Say yours be. As I make me went to avec me bu. You understand? They boss the music. So my people, I greet you and a good evening, good afternoon, good morning, whatever country you are watching or listening to the voice from. This is Frank Victor, the Umewe, one of the universe, aka the social media president. I greet all of you. Yeah, and so my people, our people use and make parables say, every no bad, every no men one year, every no anybody. What that word means is that it's not a good thing. That parable, I want to diagnose the parable to English. It's not a good thing. It's not a nice thing. It's not a nice idea for a community where there is a wise man, a pregnant goat, where we say a day labor, they go see tied up for a neck, they go see the chain. It's not supposed to happen. They're supposed to lose the goat so that you go feel labor, scream, deliver. You understand? So what I use that word to mean is that it's not a nice thing when we have a president on social media, when we have an elderly man like me, a man of wisdom like me on social media, whereby all these women are fighting here and there, disgracing themselves up and down, disgracing the family up and down. You understand? Not a wise thing. You understand? It's better we speak than when we speak if they don't listen, because why? Each and every one for this Europe, they under each ourselves. You understand? Nobody, they feed nobody. You feel me so? So, but on a more reasonable note, as far as we call ourselves one, especially the Beninese in the diaspora, we call ourselves one, the unity with the inside us. When we see, say, our sisters, they cross boundary, our sisters, they misbehave, it is our duty to call them to order and advise them as a sister, as a mother, and as a friend. You understand? And that is the reason why the people brought me in here as a social media president to always speak the truth, but nothing but the truth. You understand? Whether they take or not, you understand? I must say my truth. So, that is why I want to invite all of them come. I don't want to know what they happen between them. I don't want to know who and who did wrong, who and who did right. But the truth is this: we need peace, we need tranquility. You understand? We need freedom. May not be like a curse, say they curse all these women. Say it be like a generational curse for all these live video presenters. Some of them, when they never enter live video, the kind of attitude where they get different. But when they come on live screen, the kind of attitude where they call it perform is different. My people, I know, say, this depression is in a different dimension for women body, especially women body. Because why? Some of them not put man for hearts. We go feel they control them. We go feel they tell them what to do and what not to do. Because they don't see man for heart. So they say, when they dark, they go feel put head for a chest. They go cool off. You understand? After some don't hit their head, they go still come house. No man for his house. After they don't chop, some finish, carry phone, face themselves, enter live video, start with the gossip, other people where you need even see for your eye. Which is totally not acceptable and it not make sense. That is a barbaric act. You understand? That's an immorality act. As a woman, when you get children, and you look at all these women on social media who are doing live video, who call themselves a motivational speakers, they are all single mother. Only few for inside. Now if we can't say they husband house. Only few for inside. Now if we say he get husband for house. Majority of them are Kokobiri vandalization. They are being vandalized by Kokobiri. They are be disgruntled and be dismantled by Kokobiri. And they don't get shame. I know you can't shame the shameless. You understand? I know when I'm saying this now, some women will be angry, but it's just the reality. It's the truth. You understand? Before person, because it's only few women that you will see, he do this work where we know see most of our Nigerian ladies do. You understand? Do this work. They enter house with shame. They get respect from their family. They get respect from their kids. They get respect from their husband because why they respect themselves. Why it be say this our women wey do like most of the women wey did live video, why it be say una do the work, una can't get certificates, una can't carry the same work attitude come live video, they perform for live video. We be say una no just take get respect for Eda, una no just take get respect for the man who put them for house, una no just take get respect for una self, una no just take get respect for our children. It is an immorality act. It's a barbaric act. It's an upside down arrangement. It's a life and it's a life of migodo. Oh my God. Oh, this is a man of speaking truth. A man of talking truth. But on a more reasonable note, you know, it's not good. Our women want to change. What do they fight for? Every time they come on live screen here, they tell us, you not get one particular thing where I see on the fight for our viewers. Who viewers help? Now viewers now they fight for. What be the main issue not they fight for? We're not they marry the same man. We're not in the same country. We're not they live for the same house. We're not in the same Aduro house. We're not in the same living house. What is you people problem? And the men we put man for house, don't compose man as a woman. And they wonder what is the worry some of our men for Europe. The first say maybe now women they always get up hand on top of men. Now because of the way we position ourselves, because we want to give the women the right to take responsibility of our own responsibility. When women took care for man, the man not go feel get voice where the woman the man not go feel they talk. He will come make the woman come become the man, come become the woman at the same time for his house. For how can you imagine our people use a me parable say, palon when I'm your locum, work has a warning. Palon when I'm your locum, work has a warning. A lot of our women now try palon they do their live video. Imagine when we marry woman, they do live video for palon, where your husband go to sleep, where your husband go do that time. They tell you about go to sit down for palon, they enjoy news, they listen to news. Your wife go carry phone for palon, they do live video. Where your husband go do that time. Tell me where una husband did that time. Let me lie. For real. When I call all the women come and hear what because they don't see you, they talk to them. Now and this now some of our men, some of our live video players that even they fear these women. Oh God. This is Frank Victor the men one of the universe, Baba with a smile. Babiri. You understand? Now maybe all of una father, all of una when they do live video, the female, let me say, watinya yare wakamia we erinya tinya. You understand? You know why? Una never give me money once. Una never bribe me. Say I don't feel close my mouth, feel close the mouth, make not talk. You see all those rest men when I don't collect Aduro, when I get their voice record. Those men, when I get their voice record, if you're not let them talk to, one of them misbehave. Because if they talk, when I go play their voice record, if they talk, when I go disgo one them. But this men, I want to see, oh, you understand? I was sent from heaven to flog all of you now. Back home for dirty, position for the clean way. These things, one of them do no rights. Monica, you go to quarrel with Lolo. Okay, fine. Una fed the whole land together. Best definitely not the same house. What be the problem? Wait not they trade together when they don't make this quarrel. No fit settle. Una just need come for Europe, go UK. English speaking country. Una go they go school, una go learn, una go read. Una not go school, naturally una not go school. Una be illiterate. Una not the English country. Una go school, go learn. As much thank God for Monica life, your husband is an educated man, a computer wizard. You understand? Calm yourself down. I don't know this is your calm yourself down. Go to school. Learn things on your head. You understand? Learn things. Educate yourself the more. I dey see you and your husband in position for live stream, live video. Now they do live video together. You dey see the kind English, Monica, I dey hear you talk to Snow. I go to talk to them one by one. You dey see the kind English wey dey come out for your husband mouth. You yourself know the dreads when your husband dey speak for man fluently. Very easy, light English, very flexible English when your husband dey speak for mouth. Only that one I know now, boy, for that man. You as a woman, you know, see, you be market woman. Babe, it's time for you to know, see, you go school. You dey English speaking country. This will not be a Deutschland. It's been, you understand? This will not be it's been level. You understand? You dey English speaking country. Go to school, go learn something. Educate yourself, package yourself in a different dimension. You understand? Not be all this, you be just calm down. I don't know what you constantly call. Your husband, he dey on his own. I don't believe any other woman they follow you, they drag your man. If they bring matter come, this is the problem where they say if they see me will be men when they receive many people they run for me with this. When I see viewers, they join with the cause problem for live video presenters. I go expose them. So a lot of viewers don't call me. You understand? Some go call me for good. They go pray for me. They go, some go give me encouragement. So give me good advice. I will take. Why some go call? They go tell me. They will give me stories. They will give me information of people where they will want to make a disgone. You understand? They will praise me. You get words of man. You get words of this man. See what this one do. See what this one do. See this one. This one. This one. When you go talk, I will just listen because me I'm the person that listen. Because it's never nonsense. There's always a sense. After that listening, I say, bros, I greet you. Sure, you get the Facebook. Say yes. Bros, you know it because all this your information where they give me, so me no go fake cram for head. Come they talk. The best thing you will help me do on your Facebook, you get where they write live video. Press that live, you go live. Then they download this thing, they come and they insult the person. I go help you share it. You understand? I'm gonna say I go help you share. You gonna tell me say, bros, you don't see my live video present. I say, mama, bros, me carry this live video present I come from Nigeria. Big man, not be so big man. You know if you talk from heart. As you tell me so, talk for live video. Show me for live video. I go help you share. The next day, no go call me again. Many of them don't like that, they'll block me. Because they go want bring your head, put for screen where your head will call the radio, they will call the Lagos of you. Why they go sit down, they look you, they share, they press love and like put. For your talk where you talk, now they bring the talk on. Now your heart you did where they bring the matter on. Because they don't say that you the sharp. Now you they find money for YouTube. Now you they find money for page. You go carry the matter command. They just go around. They talk on. People go they press love and like put. Just to make sure say now you talk past. No. You understand? And the other woman, what be your name? Lolo. We don't know waiting. I don't really know waiting be una problem. I don't see anything when on the quarter put when you and Monica, these two people were best of friends. It just be like say the person wanna go become and they open an eye and say something. When I go think, who wanna insult? We carry on matter go to doctor. Una go feel they go church. Una be Christian. Una not be any Christian. Monica, you are not a Christian. Let me tell you the reason why I say you're not a Christian. A Christian does not keep malice. A Christian does not have haters. A Christian believes in God. Now God they kill your enemy for you. You understand? You cannot have grudges for person and you expect God to bless you. Those things can cause hindrance in your blessing. You understand? You and your husband they preach Bible, Abi. If you want to preach Bible, when I read Bible, well, you will know say waiting and they tell you so. Now reality. Let me when I say when I drag the I'm not come here to insult anybody. I just come give you advice. You understand? None of you now be my enemy. All of you are my daughters. You feel me so? If you call yourself a Christian, if you call yourself a child of God, and you still have grudges against you towards your enemy, your friends, your own tight friend, you still have grudges towards, you couldn't forgive him. The Bible says, forgive us our sin, as we forgive those who trespass against us. If you could not forgive your friend, and you are expecting the blessing of God upon your life, my sister, if that one a fake life, if you not forgive those, and they come out on live video, they preach Bible, my sister, you are living a fake life. That's an hypocrite. You are living a useless, negative life. It's better you show good example to others. Let people see your examples on live video. people will follow your footstep. When they see that this person, with this quarter, where they say, you're not going to settle for life, you come out categorically, una shake body, una do things together, una call each other. People go say, nothing for this life, when you not use man settle. You understand? When you pray, when you start preaching to people, people go to follow your footstep. Because why? They see the example for your body. You they live the kind of life where you preach. I don't know if you come here, come and preach, are too holy. When I say my house, I did not go to Jew, I did serve juju for Sahar. It not make sense. It just be like this woman where I talked to yesterday. You go come up on live stream, you go to sing Christian music. They sing Christian music. After Christian music, they go Shirai, they go Babalawo, may pour water for your hair. That is a demonic life, that's a fake life. You understand? Wish you and this Lord of the live. It's not good. And the people they follow now great followers, when they listen to them, people who have taken you as a role model. You are a role model to people, and they see the way you are living life. Automatically, you're also initiating those people into that kind of lifestyle, that kind of attitude of not forgiving, not having heart of forgiveness. I believe that Monica, you don't get that kind of man because the way they read you, the way they talk, you don't be that kind of person we not forgive. So waiting Lolo, you can't do where you not forgive her. And the same thing with Lolo. Lolo, the way you speak fluently. And you wonder say how you not go forgive your own fellow friend who never shook hands from the same place, eat together. What will be the problem? Which can't quarrel come big, heavy, rich like that? What not feel settle? It not make sense. This one go gossip this one, this one go gossip this one, this one go gossip this one for live video. We not they live for the same house, we not they marry the same husband, we not they for the same, we not come for the same family. What is really the problem? We all are Nigerians. If we be the Nigerians, we use our teeth, they eat ourselves like this. I wonder what other people will do with us. If other people they deal with us, we go say they be racist. Whereas even we ourselves, we are racist to our own people. We are racist to our own people. It don't make sense. You understand? See the other one where they do hook up. The other one where they do hook up, what do they call her? Rita Ajemie, with the other one, Ekia Queen. You understand? Rita Ajemie, I don't understand these women. I don't know what they fight for. You understand? Fine, you come and say they do hook up. You want to hook people up. Thank God. I don't feel you. I never do the live video for you. You understand? Do your own things in your own way. Nobody the one to the fight. You feel me so? If people love to hook up, people love to go to hook up, to go to find woman for hook up. Okay, let it be so. For those that want to hear, let them hear. You understand? But if you still backfire, we still there here to come settle an issue. But this time around, it never reached the one say you were there Europe, they fight for who the UK. You understand? Ekia Queen. Ekia Queen, you come say you be Ekia Queen. I don't know why. What be the problem when they fight put now? I don't really understand. When I call this one come on live video, you saw this one come on live video. You see, before we know that you resolve a family issue. Before we know that now they call myself need for Shiran. It don't make sense. Una the European country, the civilized country, una they fight like they Kyosa. It's out of immorality, barbaric act. Does it mean say that the cause and the world now? Because why? And they want to talk my thing in a different dimension. Maybe not the cause where our king lay for human trafficking. Nancy they worry some of you now because some of you never talk truth. Some of you never even still live human trafficking. You understand? Because the way according they fight myself, we never even see myself for the way according they fight myself now, it be like saying a cause they will use now. It be like saying put on that spare. If you need help, you call the general public. Let's see how we can solve this issue. If you get up, because we never do saga before. If you get people want to go jam, where they don't go lay cause on now. Because when the cause goes down, they walk no, when we dey Europe now, say nothing they happen. When people don't did carry on a picture go babalawo, they usually do one or two things. You understand? Now when you are spiritually balanced, now those things don't go feel work. If you're not spiritually okay, you're not spiritually strong, they go use you, they go turn your eye against each other. The fact is not they happen. I don't want to expose many things here because if I expose many things, it will happen, it will affect many native people for Nigeria. You understand? I don't just understand you can't quarrel. Social media just don't your light fire could beneath people. You understand? We just light fire. Light them on social media. We go back. Now only we did this Europe. Every day. Full day, you just see like 60 live video. All a fight, quarrel, record. What is the main aim? How can you, even you where they call Naomi, Melissa, or whatever I call myself, These women, una not they live for the same house. Why you go get? I don't understand what not again. Are they always talking when you are on call with somebody and the person is recording you? That person that is recording is a demonic somebody. I will explain. If you record anybody that is on call with you, automatically you are a demonic man or woman. Automatically the person is pouring out his heart, his secret to you, and you are secretly recording that person. That is to say that you are planning evil against that person that loves you and share his problems with you. It's our problems with you, and you are recording that person on a secret. That means you are a demon. You are a devil. Now you be the devil when they say, die by fire. Die by fire. The devil when they talk cannot be spirit. Now between we all. Now your attitude will make me declare you a demon. Now because when person go thief, they will call an armed robber. When you act waiting on the right, I will call you devil. When you act in a demonic, I will call you enemy. So we are the enemy. We are the devil. The devil not the vanish from anywhere. Now only when we see say our character, that will make the people grant us, not make people classify us into devil. When person they call you and person they talk for phone, you get the audacity to carry your other phone to record that person. Automatically you are a demon. And some of them will be the live video presenters. We go get the record. We now go to use all the threatening people. I want to play voice record just to get viewers. I want to play voice record. Who voice record help? With voice record, what do you help? This is the other way. The other man, the other man talk about record the video finish. He want to threaten them. They bring money. If they don't want the man, okay. Now when the thing come out for social media, who can use and bring himself up? Now who record the video? Now can use and bring himself down? The person when she sees say she want disgrace, that one collect the disgrace in enter house. You see they do your thing they go, but you will be supposed to be elder. Now you can't use and bring yourself down because you can't look like child. You can't look like children. You can't be enemy to yourself, to the entire community, because everybody now on the fear to call you. You get what you don't understand. If you record person and they come find and say that you record that person, my sister, automatically you are enemy to everybody. Your own mother will be fear to call you because you will still record that one day. Franco, is make I speak Benin, please. You know what? I want this platform now for both Benin and English. The reason why they speak English, some of these are women, they don't teach for Europe. They don't even hear Benin again. Some go tell you say they be Benin, but the Benin when they speak not be Benin. Again, the kind of Benin where I go speak now, they're not going to understand. I mean, when they beat them down, they calculate them down for them to understand. Say the kind of character where they perform for social media, it is not called for. Social media and a marketplace. That is the reason why when they do this Facebook, if you go Facebook, you go see page, you go see home, you go see marketplace, you go see video. Everything they do. Now you know where you want to go for inside. You understand? They not do social media where they call that fight put, where they for the fight. They not write put for that place. They not write for that place. A lot of things now we just be number one for everything. Waiting this up. We not take them easy. My people, my beautiful women, we not take them easy. The funniest man, these are very beautiful women. I could imagine women of dignity, women who say, man, we don't suffer for Europe, we don't hustle, we don't work, we don't hear win for Europe, for not to sit down, comfortable, come out on live screen. They use us, on experience, till they give people example, till they address people, till they advise people, where people go learn. These young girls we pass lapa home, or this all of us we erosion pack home. For not to sit down, they give us how una dey Europe, how una take live una life, how una take suffer get document, how una take suffer make money. When I go dey use and they do live video, they give us so that we will really console. We go know how we go take the position, we go know how we go take the respect una. But not be like that. Instead, una go come out, they use and they insult una self, they use and they disgrace una self, they use and they talk when how una take do road work, how una take position for road work, how you take the apostle, how this one take dey fight for apostle, all those kind talk. When we not supposed to hear, when we not use our eyes see when we do road work. Now those kind of talk. Now they call the talk for live video. It doesn't call for. When they use and they bring down ourselves. It don't make sense. The time when you go sit your pikin down, they speak beneath for your pikin. They speak your language for your pikin. Make your pikin they learn. Instead, you go day live video, they rant, they shout, they talk about record. I want to play record. They play. You not get husband, not me say you be Chris person. Single mother not be seen. Why be say our people we just take and say one kind big thing? Like say we get certificate, they grant you certificate as a single mother for Europe. I don't understand now. Your attitude go make men come close to you. Your attitude go make men be loyal to you. Your attitude go make men say, I want to die for this woman. No matter what, even though you get 4 children, I want to kill myself for them because of your attitude. How many live video presenters will be single mother? Where man go fit stand say, I want to die for him. When I point, I want to write your name for you. Men, when una know say how many live video presenters, no matter how they find, and if you see all these live videos, they find finish. Both the one with the bleach, the one with they use organic cream, the one with they use enemy aloe vera, all of them they find. Wanna tell me anyone when man go fit use and not say yes, this woman are ready to satisfy my life for this woman. In no day, because why? For the screen when they watch it, their character is too dirty. At the time of the truth, we all are black. We were the look now, and I'm not saying one marry black. I be any boy of a mother a lot of our women who now get children for black boys. Some of them marry Oyibo and live Oyibo, now get children for black boy. We now forget say, according to our people, they say iPhone not be gone. I dare Europe promise have Oyibo. African man and African man. We get traditions, we get rules and regulations. No matter how you go take reach, you go chop sebo. You feel me so? So, if you know that you get that character, when they slap woman, slap man, who does that character? Who does that? How dare you be? How dare you go? Black men no go fit take am. He go see tranquilo, go chop you finish, go leave you. I'm not gonna go verse, but now the truth I tell you now. For you to be able to have a responsible man, first of all, prove responsible to that woman, to that man. Now your responsibility would attract the man to you. It will make the man inside many girls. It will make the man live. It will tell you a single mother that you like pass. Because why? You don't see your responsibility. You don't test sweet. The funniest part, the way they pay me part, this women don't go, don't go as my ass. We're not supposed to be the person we will change by ourselves. We're not supposed to know, say, if the first one don't work out, by the special grace of God, you go down on your knees and say, God, let this second one work hard for me. Let this second one work hard for me. Whether there's any hindrance, anything that cause hindrance for this man not to stay in my life, by fire, by force, let it go. But you not chop some more finish. I don't know how to waiting they happen to now. I'm talking to the live video presenters because it's a shame say you want to hook person up, you never hook yourself up. It's a shame say you go get man for us, the man not get voice. Rita, regardez là-bas. You understand? Because you do the talk, go, with all the robot it when you feel for months. When you see they get shame sometimes, and they tell us you, I'm not going to call insult you, but I need to talk to you. See they get shame as a woman. Now you're the fight, and what you did, if I say you say you get husband, if you don't have kokobiri, respect that man. Rita, don't I call her come. Respect that man. Even though na Senegal, na Gambia, na Togolese, respect that man. Because you're doing it for live screen, you know they show respect to that man. That man not if he talk now. You not see, huh? Everybody, the thing is clear to people. The thing is clear to people that is watching. You understand? With this person, just call me for live for video call where I don't know you before. Sure? Wow. Don't forget my do. You know, please, my sister, still they show some kind of respect to that man. I know so she not go talk. He not go talk. But this side, they not be everybody we know they talk. not be the appeal. It's better, person who they talk, it's better you deal with who they talk than you deal with not they talk. Because who not they talk, if you deal with vomit, you go wrong. That one on one side. Ekia Queen is Yegbe. Ekia Queen, I don't know what you call yourself. Ekia Queen, you're all doing too much. You see, say all this why I don't talk to you. I don't see say your own don't pass, be careful. Because why? Our people usually make parable, so one you understand? You do that doping system for live video. You do the doping system. I came out categorically to talk to you. Because why? No matter what I say, tell you my sister. If of a choosing and then you for really come, then that village you for come, you're my sister. You understand? We know the fuck up for village. For a place where we for come, where you know, so if not there, you really for come. We know the door. But you, my sister, the way you do things for live video, you fucked up big time. Big fuck up. Where's the your mouth? Orientation, there your mouth. You understand? But you fuck up. My sister, kill your line, normal level. The way you kill and they go. You see all this gossip, all this talk. This one call you mommy, this one call you mommy. All those mommy go lead you for trouble. All those mommy go make you age against the kingdom. Ekia Queen, this is a very good advice to you. You see the squad where you follow. Those squad, now squad where they support the enemy of Edo. The squad where they follow, the squad where they call mommy, and the squad where they support the enemy of the kingdom where we come from. So my sister, use your brain. May you not go be mine at the addy. Use your head. I just give you this advice. Use your brain. May you not go be mine at the addy because you just really enter down. Any you so tene, you de you even with bolling, but you never know. So my dear, use your head. Make everywhere for stew. You feel me? Stay less. Regardez là-bas. Stay less, you be Bini woman. Sometimes, if I observe you, if you watch me, I never do live video talk to you all this while. You understand? Because sometimes, even though you dey smoke igbo, you understand? But some kind of talk where they come up for your mouth, it dey kill like where. You dey feel me so? Some kind of talk where they come up for your mouth, it dey enter. But sometimes you go see me on normal level. I dey understand. I know the story. But my sister stand for the road of truth. As a mother, stand for the road of truth. Ara biene, okeke na temata, run demo. Run that way, we now my moi go. If you want saga, come out categorically. Let your saga be a saga of truth. Saga. Not say because this person you hate this person, you and this person can misunderstand it. Then you just see something will concern this person, you could just come out one tear in chest. Every day, or buy your back above you. You understand? I wear or matter so that the nickel who does it, you make it not say you away. Even Yakara no Jesus. Now see go be for love. But inside there so when they use brain, all this fight correct, when I stop on. And the other woman, Okpaika, when I call Okpaika come, I they come for them one by one. Okpaika, Ivie, Batinya Evari. You understand? Okpaika, I see your doings. I know who you really are. I not come insult you today. I not come insult you today. But for the investigation, I don't get about you. I'm not supposed to talk to you like this. And I test you. For the investigation, I don't download it towards you. I'm not supposed to talk to you like this. Okpaika, you say you dey fight for Bini. You say you want make Bini good. You say your daughter married Bini. You say you be Bini. Okpaika, in a shame, say you, Okpaika, go to support the people when they fight Bini. That means you are not a friend of Bini. You'll be one of the enemy to Bini. And they tell you this thing, I get evidence. I want to carry the talk, as small as you talk. You say I be small picking, but this boy be fine, no. It is small. You give me cause. But Okpaika, this brain which is so, it passed 20 of your own. You feel me? Because now you do things, whoa. All on our own mindset, now money. Yamigo, what make it Yamigo Azeye or yeah. The money one of the work now, or yeah was Oseka, was Opaika, it's a shame, say you say your own daughter married Benin, and you say you now, you fight for Benin, and you they support the enemy of Benin. You they press love and like for the video where they would insult your father. You understand me so? You see the reason why Arabi say, if you even insult your kingdom, I'm not talking truth. Yes, that's the truth. So I see Asian people now they do life video, they insult if you leave you. You understand? But when you or Paika they support enemy, when Asian people they insult their father, Asian people they insult their father. You get one stupid Asian boy for France now. If they insult their father, or Paika, you they sponsor that boy. You be the followers of that boy. You be the fans of that boy. If you like, go and friend yourself on that. I just screenshot all of that with that page. You be the sponsor of that boy. Even though the boy is they donate for Asian. I just they look una. Una go to teach them too smart. You understand? But there's what you want to tell you, Paika. Yeah, you know the quarrel. I just try to correct you as a mother. Because sometimes, or the young one, or wokan one. You understand me so? That is the reason why they correct you. Opaika, if you genuinely love Benin Kingdom, you're not going to support who they insult your father. Opaika, get what I want to ask you. That boy where they France, the open mouth categorically, this will not be indirect, directly, they insult your father. You understand? And you they wash him. Opaika, you not come out, when you do live video insult him. You not come out, may you talk about him. You not come out, may you tell the boy, make it stop. Instead, you press like for the live video with the body do. Okbaika, you see the reason why I insult you, daddy. You know why I bring you down like my junior sister? Where I really give you better insult because where I see you say you be snitch with the clan snitch. For public, for your live scream, you go pretend say you love Benin. Outside of your live scream, you go to support the enemy of Benin's. The person who is down here for this live video now. The man that's here, I'll be ordained as the president of this live video. I continue to investigate you before I come out to talk. I don't talk anyhow. You understand me so? You they sponsor the enemy of the kingdom. Una they gang up. You understand? Una go let try. But you no go fit. You understand? You no go fit. Asian, all the energy of Asian land, they are under Benin Kingdom. I don't know why una no they use brain. No history when I want talk. We no generate from Benin Kingdom. So, Okbaika, it's just an advice. May you for learn. If you don't know, may you know. Whether godo be godo, whether he do, whether ogiso, whether no giso, I had me obey varedo or back by me. You understand? Baika, wahawe mi, wahalo enwe, because where investigator ya voto. Would they investigate matter, proper investigation? It is famous. So, when they use brain, when I notice say, na mugu, na they follow now, they do live video. Our people, our men, our able men, we're supposed to stand. They don't collect small in the for the hand. They can't tranquilo. But me, no matter the money when I go give me, I go use it to drink. Yeah, Baba with this man. Yeah, you be it. You don't know what. You don't imagine. You understand? Bona they do things well. Okbaika, you don't the old. All your mate for village. Now grandchildren they give them food now. They don't even go farm again. Now they find way near house, inside garden. Now they pluck pumpkin leaf till they cook soup. Now because you did Europe, now you see losing say you still dey Aja. You understand? My sister, I beg. I use God beg you. Tidy your life, we use your brain well. You understand? Then if you know soir, mama kale quoi. If you la ou, I want use God beg you. I want beg you. Are you you understand? You don't insult people that are sitting down on their own that does not insult you. If Okpaika with his squad, the true math, go where they're not supposed to true math go. No be energy of Ewoyimi, of Ubiaja, of Nunemi, not being sent them. Not being sent her. Leave energy of out of this Facebook saga of a thing. I use God to beg Guna. When I leave our family for us, for any dispute when I get with anybody for live video, call the person categorically. Talk sense with her. Dialogue with her. When I'm not going to bring family issue, they come here. When I'm not going to bring energy, they come live video. I use God. I beg Una. Una respect me. Una way puts me in here as a president. I make come categorically. All those energy of life of Uromi, our king, our whole kingdom. And I use God to beg Una. I'm going to remove them from social media. This is a special apologies to all the live video presenters, all the bloggers. I beg Una, if you want blog, all the bloggers, if you want blog against insult to the kingdom, we want to put our king picture, join those people. It's an error. It's a big error. It's a big taboo to the kingdom. Any blogger will do that thing, and I see and they send it for me, I will not take it lightly with you. You understand? If you are a blogger, if anybody, it's just like person insult your papa, the person will come go carry your papa picture, tag on with the insult when they give your papa. The person will insult your papa, you will see the picture, people will watch your papa with the picture with the insult. That kind of not make sense. Now I'm going to check out my people. It's not clear now. You understand? It's not clear. So my bloggers, I use God beg Una. Wanna stop that kind of thing. You feel blog waiting they talk. Normal level. If you want blogger. But in normal sense, if you be better blogger, born of a Benin boy, those insults, you're not supposed to carry on. Now the truth. But because of my defined money, I'm not going to not do my business. But I always just give Una a sound warning. If you want blog anything bloggable, you feel use the king picture for your profile, use them for anything you want to do in a very nice way. But not be the one you go to see where one person after you don't smoke, you go finish. You go over high brain, you don't see map for us. You go see one go to throw man, they go to give you papa for us. Then you go to blog about the journal, bros or auntie where they do blogger. It don't make sense. Not try am. In case of tomorrow, you understand? I use God beg Una. Move to do things right. Move from the cross boundary. You understand? Then which other live video presenters again? All these are our women. Our mama, iye boy, regardez là-bas. Iye boy stroke, osawewe zoegi. With the shoe. I meet all the Facebook presenters our women, and I want to talk to soon. I want to use God to beg Una. Iye boy, lao, you be our mama. If to say Nigeria you did, now your grandchildren for they give you food, oh. And because now Europe, now you see the work, you see the struggle, you see the strength. You understand? I beg. I use God beg. You see all this saga. I got a lot of fene. I go buffet. A get what in person the big pass. If to say your own Peking, they this Europe with this so. Your own son. You understand? If you did, mama, you all this insult when they give you say the boy go there happy, big boy that can go there happy. He not go there happy. And you know go fit from the president because they do all those things when they do, he not go agree with you. You must get issue. You understand? Because now Gama, you dey feel me so. So mama, I beg, I use God beg you. Even though you know day, people still they will be say you don't trade, will be say you don't rescue, you don't help in one way or the other. For full pressure, nobody will not know you. You understand? Forget maybe you call the live video, you call they follow women, they fool yourself, follow women for live video. Now who don't know you, now go know say this woman now they go look and say this one is useless woman. No. You rent 2-bedroom flat, don't be say you know they fool they sleep. You understand? Now people they sleep there free. They don't pay house rent. You understand? You know how they use yourself because of live video. They follow small pikin, where sit there one room. They take when they feel like money, they call they show yourself. Automatically it's totally barbaric. It don't make sense, mama. Even according to tradition, it don't make sense. Tradition, you don't accept her. You too big past that kind of thing. If person insults you, for you to even come and the insult not what you want to move for your body. You go even call and say, yeah, way. You understand? Me don't talk to live video presenter. I never insult. I just throw my call in for my live video. After my live video, the woman call me. You say, remember, we have a woman. I'm young for the live video. We have a woman. Me come with the money. I put the think I take call your day safe. Because the moment now for the live, you understand? I don't know. Maybe you are here by better. You know? So, mama, I beg. I use God beg. You see all those saga, the saga people, you know what time. Yeah, boy, you know what at all. You big past that kind of thing. You didn't feel me so? Those people when you say that they UK, toilets, they're not able to flush toilet until there's two people should put for the flush. Now, one room all of the day for them. How many times you just do video their bedroom? They put bed for corner and they do live video for palo. We know that story. No, talk about few you rent 2-bedroom flat, palo there one side, they walk. You know they sleep there. Now when they walk, now they sleep. Now no. I mean wait, they I go there and they talk about live video so. No be say they say. You understand? So why you call anybody talk to you for live video? But you got you back the running. Now when you dey gay, you just say you be gay. You be you know what? Is your well is more than 80 years now. Yes, now more than 80 years. Your grandchildren. Person we not finish secondary school. And now you want to do for live video. What make sense now? What understand? Anybody I insult you, anybody I insult you, you understand? Let's iron this issue amicably. No insult anymore. We don't need fights. And you know, 90 you know, and you 90 call this one. Let's make a conference call. Let's settle this thing amicably. What will they fight? They kill ourselves for? What is really the problem? They mean what wona ka obuade wetu mwero ma penwe oguna do akon kon ba wo live video wona de go account no o ma asa no o gbina ba different madam mo ware no ko was who was account wa gele wa ko ma gele ya sa madam ask you wasa de no wa ko jina no wa gbele bi bu wa jina no wa la ho ido le wona la se fe na yin wa ko sa we mezo wegi la ho iyo so lo ba yin yawe ne wa we wa de wa gba van le wa ele de nu wa take easy emi no deni wa bia we no ma wa ya mamani na ya na ya hia re obuna oligi wonyanga no re obuna na ya solve he ale ya te comedy ale o ga wa ga we collabo ale we collabo ati comedy o yi ma ya ge because why a depression and worry ma wa pe obuna too much because pe ko na o pa a lot of men don't get wife for the camp that camp dey make person dey wako who say worry better tomato see better tomato see we can do afo we na go o no sa ge ro egbe. You understand? So my people are beg. I just get all of our women. I'm like, oh beg. Wala ho wa mweze uto. You understand? Wala ho wa mweze uto. If you need man, I beg you. Everything about no baika. Leave up baika. La ho wo. Shok baika. Man, that baika I beg. I use God beg you. I beg you. No insult if you need. No reply anybody. You be grandmother. You don't big. What if it's the big pass? You don't do big pass for those kind of things. So that thinking, I felt that you the one that say, if me insult you for live video, you get right to carry for say, if frankly, well, we may not table now. We not table me. Oh, me go eja. Yeah, more ye la wo egui. Understand? Get good, but give me no son me. Understand me? Give me no son. No ya mama ya mama no ma son wo guitar. Even no son me na provoke. We get no ask no we. You know ya di. Okay, mama. Egui in my video no. Okay, let's do it like this. Let peace reign. When I ask you, when I am my hair, I don't want to feel the sagboya yeji. Who say agboya yeji? What are we killing ourselves for? I'll give you a arena. Oh, when you're not tomorrow, you might be gone. You understand? The same Okobo that was vibrant last 3 months ago, that was vibrant, is today is no longer more. So what are we killing ourselves for? That alone is enough for you to have wisdom. It's enough for you to have wisdom. Somebody you can just go somewhere. When I get new in the boom, I remember when I was in Austria. We got Austria. So somebody even want to try a beer palo. Maybe you will know that time the terrorists now attacking Austria. The police about with 6 people that were sitting on the bar drinking. They are all dead. So what are we killing ourselves? We have a passport. We have a passport. Where are the passports? Where are the passports? You have the passport. So what is the problem? On a passport, on a bill. Eh, be a tema tawunu. I want to see about the woman, but the woman. A master on a benizua. A master on a benyan, me better than me better than you. Oh, American passport, and I'm a coffee. American passport, what are you waiting? Oh, them one. So what are we saying? Let us love ourselves. Let us be honest to ourselves. This nyanga live video is getting out of hand. Every you bono gentleman, imaya mwak pandeg magboto, imaya disgrace about the makiri. I we know if you do, I we know if you do, I we know if you do. Only we. It's not good. What can my few name with here? What can you make a year in Malana? A job in a mano. Every guy will know on my way or no one no jewe. What's here? You have the right. My number is here. Call me. Bros, even a woman about me or what damn you can know back in the community. At here, we come together. We discuss issue. Sister Lao, we were auto. People allow we were auto. Peace is at all. Money, we will manage peace with a woman. Anyway, why we been on the Agbina. What is the problem? Iama we my. It's in we my. Wallah, we will get peace at all. Why can't it born anybody? You understand? Here, what I'm a fans. On a fans. Well, on a fans on Arrobiona, a fans on Arrobiona, a fans. Anything on the Magberi, anything on my yari. Wagima Kugi. I cook boy tea in one a bell dinner. You understand? Anyone what here for no. You don't get away. Insulting people is not going to help us. But I came out categorically to come and apologize to everybody, especially the women. I get peace here. I want peace to be on social media. Voice record. What is the use of that? What is the use of that? I will not record the voice record in your own damn way. But the time will not join together to build our country, to build ourselves in unity as Benis in the Edos, or especially the live video presenters. Anybody or any viewer or any of your friends that you not talk to, that not record you, my vibe live video. On a vibe, we cannot vibe what not vibe so not vibe why you agbowe by as also we bawani. If you can money live video presenter agi, a corporation of can money, why give I got more vague bima? Now you're pronouncing a president, a manibugi to me. You understand? But what again, ya keme. What I say, you know, a manibugi say, a manibugi yati, manibugi say, I was even in the you take Bobolime. I was in the master keep what's overall. You tell me I love you, I want to marry you, and come Germany. If you come, I go give you paper. If you do this one, now I am pronouncing a president. And you know what you call? You know, yeah. And what they also want to material like Umama Bogime, Material go down. Many of the young day, so you can meet the Adam may president in any man all in a straw. Or in a straw now, we must. Every night, you go see now. Eja. Many the young day. They won't go what are they president in Nigeria. Eh? Where work you won't be a wiggy. Oh, but they don't get me. Well, soon now, because of live video. You understand? Just because of say you speak the truth. People doesn't love truth. They don't want to hear truth. Because you know what they will attempt, they just hate you. Hey, you know by now. Hey, not take back home. Agbo ya love no what total what told you no what live a fake life. When is ye rita? Oh, how go raw? Every raw. What's the nearest last month ago? I mean, you like the screen here. But now you can see what changes raw. I can't remember Babidi, you know, or your way. He was a little baby. Yeah, your way. Hey, Baba is my what? Understand? No allow. But the PCRO, PC in Magwalo. Understand? My yak bonary, my live video presenters, my yasati with your bonny maniroa. In my could be the webona. Umi Yakubini or your wings wa. But Mana Zaga, the woods, Lobanagi Mazaga, the Umianoa, Yaki could be. Mana Makubini, my Yakbo, my way, Magwala Kubewoni, Magwala changes the Woni, all your night yaro. That is what we want. I beg una. ido yo solo boy mi wa ani ko abi ko ni we live video na ya pepe ne ro nu wa ya fefe wa gi aye mu wa ore no ma wa to no ma wa ya ri agbo wa ya gbina wa ya ri keni to ni temo keni ma temo I love you all. Osaloba bless you here in a different dimension with different mentality. What is what I like the live video why in every word no water I always speak a sense on the side. If I really one atana e want no if you hear by the no go if you hear with me if you why like the why like so ori mu we feel ni ni why mu kivie na why ya kale ko yin wa kan ko kale ko we be your kale ko you why ko worry boy ko why mu fu ko adam yo ye o we ya no tire fe ke no na tie bo kini na tie bo I must take one word from inside. Monica Yari live video, the same thing. Even so, do you know even Monica Yari live video? Me, I prefer listening to the man than even listening to Monica. You understand? I gain more from the husband while listening to the man than Monica. You understand? When me to go when Monica, you know that Monica Yagua. He go on. We dey go Yagua. Okay, so I go for the. You understand? I go outside. Oh, you understand me? I didn't enjoy that. It's just fun. It didn't make person laugh sometimes. You understand? So why are we killing them? Why are we fighting? Even in the Lolo, I read live video with me. You understand? Oh, I read it. Yes, he want to let it go. You go back. Oh, back. Oh, mama. Oh, mama. You go for the body. Before you know what they happen, what change what you want to be. You want to see you. It's just it. You understand? Why some people can live video he may will make up. Me looking at that woman on live screen, I'm blocking her, but he comments, I'll just be watching. I feel make person up. If I get all the equipment, the way they cover, the way they do this, I feel make person up. That one another thing where I just use and learn. For this live video, there are a lot of things where you feel learn. In when what have you kwa na ya tie bonigbi na ya gossip wa be like no mind now other one no mind now now this one about to call UK no mind now. All those things make sense. Get what the person do big pass. You understand? You feel that they do your makeup, they play cool music, let's dance, make people happy, make your fans happy. Your fans go get joy. Now just the reality. Every and a fancy tab on one, react do ya act one live video, allow or feel bored with you. I'll give peace here. I love you all. Why ya wa musi? Kene one do one of you knew what we about, or do ya so agwaluwa. But a gaga boo, hey, a bonus day of we know my beer, we are kind of good, but then we handle how many. But we handle marry, why you go via. Maybe make one love Viviana. You bet you were high if you were your going away of you, well, hit me a salo, but me, why are you going to be more? You were. For real, it's just the truth. You don't know when your helper is around. You don't know the right time when the real man for you is around. You can just be doing this live video, you will just see somebody will just, in a way, a live video now. A live video now may tell him a live video now. Ima mmemwe na live video na eno. Owa watch live video na. When is zebo, wa zebo na watch live na dey boka na watch live video. After the live video na chat with me. Eri mo yaso agbe. Ima mo boka Nigeria re. You understand? Now so it just be. The things what you do here, God feel from there bless you. You feel from there get your life husband. But do it in the right way, do it in the honest way. Not be with curse, not be with fights. Okay, when our election was let's vote in president. Let's vote in president. People call in and say, that Frank Victor, for voting as president, but now I want vote as president. But I beg, when I everything from Victor, me not the call single mother again. Me not the talk single man and shower again. Me not the call woman and shower again. Everything from Victor, me not the tell woman single man and shower again. Do you know when that things occur? He not the photo, but not the experience. And what I want to agree with her, you understand? Me and the kind person, I'm not the video watch my video. I have to start watching my video. I get the error, you cannot get it wrong. You understand? I mean, on a baby cool. You understand? From there, I try change. First, since then, I coach myself. We be say, I know say, okay, this thing they pain women. If you tell this word, they pain them. So I need to keep on. I need to keep on my mind. I don't go call it this word again. It don't really make sense. I born. You understand? It's just I left from there. From that call with that woman make that day, I learn from there. I mean, nobody will be saying I carry name perfect for this life. We all they learn. Life is a teacher. The more you live, the more you learn. So why we say we our women or why the life is or make it sense? Walao, wa feel you let peace reign. Let peace reign. Now waiting I come back all of now. Both Monica, Lolo, walao, nothing for this life where they not fit settle. Lolo Pikin, if you go fall in love with Monica Pikin tomorrow, Monica Pikin, if you go fall in love with Lolo Pikin tomorrow, if na something na to know na self, na Pikin of jam, Lolo brother, if you can go marry Monica Pikin, or Monica's cousin, if you can go marry Lolo Pikin, why we want to create enmities for grant for these children, for this future of these children? It not make sense. Now civilized country we dey. Even for Bongo, we say, "Ah, we again, ah, maybe I didn't make it peace in it. Civilization don't come." You understand? So why would they kill ourselves? Why would they fight ourselves? It don't make sense. I use God beg una. I feel you with our women. I beg una, wanna change. Make peace day. You understand? Make peace day. That's what you just be. Don't be it's not a hook up, man. Don't be hook up. Now where God say your blessing day. Otherwise evolve. People not they happy. You understand? Not only our country, they go say you they excel. All your friends will be say they follow you, they go hate you. They not going to follow you. They talk again because they say you will not be pass them. Wait till this life what they call they put. Who buy Venza today? Now the old one you buy. Maybe we buy next year. Now me buy the latest one. I dey test you. Let me buy the latest one. You will get 5 years today. Your own go soon expire in the next 2026. Me when they give next year, my own go still go far for your own. Now so it just be. Waiting with the kill ourselves for. This country will come be our papa house, not be our mama house. All of us come here, come collect small words, take bumps ourselves for Nigeria. So why would they jealous ourselves? They fight ourselves. My sister, I use God beg una. Not be the main issue for social media. Not be even the men. You dey see the men. All of us are big boy. We dey respect ourselves, in one way or the other. We dey care our life well. You understand? I use God beg una. Wanna coordinate ourselves. All this nyanga. It don't make sense. Not be want to be say we with the male because they interfere for what it concern women. Come they say my head do this one. Oma make sense now. Oma make sense. Now inside this quarrel, this hatred. Now they see people say, you don't feel no get well, you don't feel no get well because why? The hatred that they inside you now already. If love day, if person they go wrong, you feel even call them other lives to say, "Eh, we no turn magba, we no turn fear with your magba." Eh, wait a minute. It don't get no energy. Hello. One leg gafa. Okay, voice very low. Didn't see like your head so low, but yeah, good. Didn't want me. Where's your phone well at? So that they hear me now, be me have a dream what I want you. I may know where I are you. You want I'm not a Christian, I'm not a pastor. You understand? Yeah, what deliverance in be pastor, prophet, the house. You will deliverance in boy. No, I'm not a pastor. So my people, now just the truth. I beg. Abielele would call me now. Abielele, thank God. So you called in. I beg. I just use this opportunity to beg you. I beg. Not the insult Okpaika again. I beg. Okpaika, Sarah, Gbogbo. Not the insult them again. I beg. I use God beg. Now peace now we need. Peace. Whosoever where they say it is, one of the seller. Who want bring to come out for that video? Bring and come out. You understand? Who want pump breast come out for that video? Pump and come out. We need peace. If now your own style of coming out be that one, let us know so now your own style. So that we the presenters not going to insult you. You understand? Because why? I always want him to say, you get where person go big rich, you know, if control him, you go lay advice on. The little advice we need to get now and tell us. So if we tell us this thing when they do so according to Bini, it's not pleasant. You say, oh, what big boy, you feel go ahead do one. O kiki, I am in a yako. Only Maria Mawe, O Hiamohi, O Hima, O Hiel. We can sick again, why again? Because some people they will say things when they do now. Now when do the old, now na go repent. Now when do the old, now na go repent. A lot of them they say heart don't marry. They regret what they do when they did get. They regret them. but they don't feel no. You understand? The officer said that they rain that time. That they rain. When why exactly why you a thing you go why team move why you 3 round why samekun on me age no nya seba mami we na no we na wa ge we kwet same yakbe ama wotu nya bi kai we. You understand? Nothing when you do again we are planning life against your 80s. You understand? But when you feel we bon nya so my sister, you feel self, you feel hokan, feel position, and feel boyo, you la lo, well no, but the truth in the honey come away. Mommy when you are gathered to argue when you are with you, boy, you la lo, those people cannot put you at home as a woman. No matter what, they can only call you and pay. You know, salaway, you know, salaway, you are one ya digwena, nia jegwena, nia we moe, nia ya guamaku. It may come with secret. They can come to your whole place and pay you and dope you, but they have a woman who they don't joke with. So my sister, use your head before it go too late. Use your head. You understand? Everybody now, it's a land of opportunity. You can do anything. You feel beg. You feel do any shit. You understand? But do the one when it go bring shame to you, to your future, and to your children. You understand? Only when you need to boy me why waniku walao. Wagagi rubi wagagi bina. A lot of them don't insult me. A lot of them insult me, but if I say make I come out call insult them, it go even affect me. You understand? I get a lot of them, their nakedness. Some women when they see for live video, they go dress decent. If you see them for Instagram, they open breasts. If you see them for Instagram, you go shame. One woman come out for live video, come insult me. He come out, insult me, say he dey fight for the movie. But when I go watch her for live video, for Instagram, he breast, he be like 100 by 100. It's scattered everywhere. I said, God, this one of the person who they insult me. You understand? I just laugh. You understand? But if to say one person say I want revenge, I just the opportunity to pack a picture for Instagram, it don't make sense. You understand? It don't make sense. Maybe she go the fix, I go reply her, I go fight her, I go see what I go take this going on. I don't do that time. But believe me, give me away your way. Maybe give me so. That's why I come out to come advise you now today. As a president, Una please let peace reign. Una no say na me, the way they talk and say the kingdom of God suffered violence, and the violent one take it by force. I came out today with peace to let peace reign. You understand? Social media godfather. I watched the video where you reply T-Boss Sarah. Bros, if you don't reply that girl, I beg. You understand? Because why? T-Boss insults me now. Imagine because he gave me a chance. Yeah, help again. If I get the opportunity to help that girl, I go help that girl. Because that girl is really sick. But none of you know. Now different sickness, especially they see for this Europe. Some people they talk to you live, direct. I don't take care of Oyibo for us, for Italy. Now, man, if you are sit down, they talk, they discuss. Now they eat, they discuss. But you're not going to see the sick. When do they go in the evening? Now then the sickness they start. Every 12 o'clock for 9 they take a drop. Before that 12 o'clock, now from 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock, now they be the walk. Now that time, now be the walk. Now that time the madness they start. I go the whole night, it go to scatter everything for house. From 6 o'clock to 12 o'clock for 9, now the madness they increase. I don't go sleep till that 12. That 12 I don't give her the medicine bam. As he take the medicine, sickness not finish. Till the next day, when they see him again, it go just cool. It go sleep. The other time you're going to tell you sorry. All the things when do you, slap when give you, everything when do you, he's going to tell you sorry. That kind of sickness, you see, they happen to our women. Because why? No wife. This same man, he not marry, he not get wife for us. Singleness. 40-something years, just date single from right from picking, no wife. The thing go they stick, they enter, they affect them. But there's nothing that when you see person for his house, two of them they flew, and they talk. Two of them they talk. You go they flew, you go they flew. You know when we see chance they enter live video. You understand? So I beg, I use God beg una. Our women will change for all this fight, quarrel, cause, gossip. This is una feed the gist now. Once man the record una self. Una stop all those things. Let all those things cancel. Anybody, I never talk anybody record una. Una call am. I don't say una call use money someone sound. I don't say una bring money come. Una just call me, tell me, get now they get where we are going on the recording. Bring her come my table. I go call on to others. You understand? Call on to others, talk to her. Because some women are still wise. Some of them are not really grow for house. This is why I can't really sit down, check a lot of our women. Woman will never spend 25 years with the parents. Automatically never grow. But those days, 25 years, where you cooking, where you codolo ya, you are there. Away, where you codolo ya, they are there, and I am now. When we react, when you codolo way, who could hear you? If one is that is it. Because why? Am I cooking or a lot of women are they disvirgin for Europe. We don't know the story. You understand? Living a single life for Europe. Now what fame? So I use God beguna. I use God beguna. Let me put the beguna. Why be now? I'm not the fight again. Anything where I talk with investment for year now. When I'm not investment, I have advice now given. When you sit down carefully, think what I tell you. You understand? If you really want a husband, change your character on live video. This live video, it will help you, but your character must be decent. And that decent character when you perform for live stream, then I'll be saying a real character of you. Because if you show decent for you, and for inside house, now tiger you be, oh boy, the lion go run. And just the truth, lion go run. Nobody will not get harshness. We will try to tolerate. We will try to tolerate ourselves, I beg. Our women, go back, yen wa gbogun you snow ne, gbogun you vegbe ya ison ma we ya, ele ya ton, ele ya kudna. Wa ho, wayo. Wa ga ti e bono wa. Kate, wa ga ti e bonne. Ave no gi you eru mi gbe bi aja o ni odo energy of all the country where they for come. Mo no dey sort them, and mo no dey sort throw mat go give Benin again. Mo no dey throw mat they go give Benin Kingdom again. Una way dey Europe, nobody want make peace for Benin Kingdom. If any error dey Benin Kingdom, not before now when they do live video, want make the peace. The peace, that is why we have Elder. They go make the peace. Una don't know anything for inside there. So una remove una mat for what it concern palace. The way una go remove una mat for what it concern palace for Benin. Now so all the Benin women, una remove una mat for what it concern palace for energy. Energy of energy of Uromi, energy of Biaja, energy of all this of Asian land. We will not insult them again. Let peace reign. All of them are men. They get children. They get grandchildren. That energy of Asian where you insult, you feel go marry a Peking. That energy of Biaja where you get insult, you feel go marry for that place. Your boyfriend, if he come from that place, your husband to be if he come to that place for comfort. So our women, one of the non get on the throw mat they go. Especially when we never marry. When we never get husband. More than they know, when they control our mats. When know where the throw mats they go. In case of our future. I use God beg una. I beg una. And I still use opportunity to beg all the energy where all these women throw mat give the buna daughter. You understand? I beg all of una. Muna forgive. You understand? I use God beg una. Muna use brain. Muna use brain. Not be everything. Not be the end for live video. Not be everything the end for live video. So kind word did when on the top for here. Una who collect slap put for Nigeria. Unless una no one go ask. Una know what happen to our senior brother Eddie Murphy when he go Nigeria. Even not because of say men, no men. You understand? After all those men, no men, you still do all. You understand? I know I take play. I use God beg una. Women. This one are even women. I need the way they pay me pass. Now be women. Una kill una life. Sit down on her husband house. Una not use una mouth to bring what go affect una husband. Because the man will go marry una go face the punishment. Which some of una don't put myself. That one because they make many men they run for now. Walao, ABG, Avera, Avitin, Wahagemi, Kabunu, with live video. You understand? One small boy for his France now, you're the top. Lao, Yima Okbaika, call that boy to order. Okbaika, call that boy to order. I know so that boy is energized by you. What is it they call him? Uwa Sophia. I know all of you now within the platform. When I call that boy to order, make him pull word for man, talk where. You understand me? Pull word for man, talk where. If you want group page, you get what you the group page. If you want group page, me pull the boss out, carry pre-command, carry the friend, put up a live video, the dope am. You will get almost 2,000 viewers or 1 million viewers. Not be king, you must carry the group page. Hello. Hello, ma, greet you. What's up, man? Yes, ma'am. What are you like? In more speaker? Or speaker? Okay. All right. Okay. Madam, you're aware.
Social media president.
What, Tom? I greet you, man.
Yo, Baba was sabi.
What, Tom?
Baba was this man. He beg you with the lie, penny with the power sing. Where see, they have fair work money. Eya wagwa say ya la ina we so pa no no ya tiena nuga gwa kan ba we mani robi ave noji ina we oni wo oga logo be ni mege runda we ime a we no gweti opaika runda akedo aka me e mana hia fe ni ani aga gi robi opaika ni aga gi robi noji sa oni ga logo.
Oh, Mama Dario. Mama. Mama Dario. Hello. Mama Winter. Edo we ugangbene sin, ugangbene mila. You understand? Ikuwogie you understand me now? Because what's now, anybody, kedo, Kesao, Okba Mayakin, Imagwalin sort any of them, whether Edo or Isan, whether Okbaika or not Okbaika, imagine anybody if you know get don't of you know get any of his son. It's just the way it is. Everything you have to talk. I don't know, Mama. Oh, Mama, relax. Okba, Mama, listen. Mama, damn you, Mama relax. Mama with Jane where Mujane. Mama Mujane. Mama you tell you. Walk by Kakinari. A dog or Mamma, understand me now. So it's not a force. No, Mama, this is what Mama Dario. Mama Dario, Mama. This, I am the president. You understand me? I am the president. This is my regime. You understand me? I set up a panel where nobody should insult. Listen, nobody should insult any Enogie or the trauma to the king or to the palace of Ovido. You understand? It's an order that I have laid. Anybody not get down when I know what to do. Yeah. Hello. Mama Mama Mama, listen. Mama, listen. The Bible said, Mama down here. Mama, listen, down here, man. The Bible said all things are past. All things become new. You understand? I said I don't want no more insult, whether to a Noje or to the Benin Kingdom, no more insult. This is my first rules and regulation. Mama.
Okay, va beti pe chiamo fra poco, grazie. Sì, tutto a posto, ha mangiato, tutto a posto. Sì, va bene, a dopo, ciao. Hello?
Ayunuta?
Hello?
Mama Ayunuta? Hello? I must greet you. The phone for last speaker. Okay, I greet you, Baba. What? One love. You want to contribute, Abi? Oh, you are fire down. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. 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 Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah. Yeah. Mama, you be. Water. Yeah. Exactly. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. No problem. While I yeah. Yeah. Okay, no worry. May understand the woman, may understand. But the truth is that a law has been put now where no more insult to all the kings, the Enoje, the kingdom anymore. You understand? I put this law now. I believe where I will follow us, I will live video presenters, especially those women. You understand? So me, I will also call Okpaeka. Anybody know him, no Okpaeka, not send the argument. so that you have to baika ni gwebwan. You understand? Because some of the Asian, you know, you call him, they are complete, blah, blah, blah. You understand? Because they are not happy with the way. So now, imagine all those kind of fights. Because you know, we might fight, might be this man. Everybody, man, I want to argue, man. The man, you not achieve the man like what you are, man. I might be man to agree with man. You understand? But that's why we not cordial. So now we used to. So shaking all day, I agree to you. Water. Every night, Bama, why are you? Yeah. I agree to you. I'm you be and take a chow. Man, thank you. Let's see. All right. So, my people, agree to now. Wayato. You understand? As I've said it, no more saga, no more fights on or this insult to the energy or the king where we come from any live video presenter. It is not allowed. You understand? It is not allowed. I categorically put that law. It is not allowed. Anybody will try automatically now be say una want make me vex. Now be say una no want to make it. As we just talk now, they laugh, they enjoy. We don't like calm. You understand? I use God beg una. We don't need that kind of thing. And anybody will get like a number, me send that to me. I'll call them. You understand? I'll call them so that we will fit talk. You understand? Make I really know what be the problem. What beneath people do when they provoke a biker. I want to know. You understand? The insult done too much. This one will come out if you want grow page now our kingdom. This one will come out if you want grow page now our kingdom. This one will come out if you want grow page now our kingdom. What in this up? It don't make sense now. It don't make sense. You understand? I use God beg una. If you get anywhere, we say man, beneath people wrong una. I beg. Una pipe on. If una reach there, una go solve the problem. When I'm not sit down here, I just trauma. It don't make sense. This word be like egg. If it don't fall, it don't scatter. It be like the one we Sarah do now. Sarah talk out of anger. The word na egg, as you fall for ground, it don't spread. Even though you need that for your life video, beg your need pee. Your need pee from here to tomorrow. Not be now you say you're rubbing for you don't waste your time. The person where you talk to, the people where you talk to, then their house. Not be we. You dey feel me? And for those of our women, Gladys Amadi. It's one of the first time where they call your name. Gladys Amadi. You be like man. You get man spirits. Not be say physically you be like man. Spirit where you get now, man spirit now you get. Oh, we are tell already you were but it was a fortunate in the and they watch you. Your act, the way you act, you understand? You act like man. Sorry, this is Lovett Osas. You don't take for here. You understand? Go tell your people all those kind of words. Don't take. That's you don't try to watch me. So join them. So as I was saying, you didn't act like man. Hey, are you balegbe ateme? You understand? Hey, are you balegbe ateme? Ateme no we udo nwa ba u aso yedu. Emi no udo nwa ba u so wa ni buni so ni ro wa macho ni wa kan abi je wa kan wa mo je ne but ya do give ni wa ya gwa we live video. Me do give na me go timi ni kiri no ro wa se for ko emi nwa so wa. Eri ona. Wa ha kiri wa kedi. Wa ha gi wa do wa kedi. You understand? Edo isi agbon. Aga soge do do asogo my do your audio. All of you yin kan aya so ton. Ogo ye mu ye ku, eye bi raku. You understand? Wani bu me ado am understand when you boy behave. Ido la se fe na emi wani wala o. Emi ga dere. Na if na me go fe come for live video. E do cut up. Na me go fe come on live video. Wa kakabo to ta gba ko to. Takabo uweme waka iriago bobero wa iriago biyomo waka me wa yatabo no live video wa kari azine wo wa kara dan live video no wa do sote. You understand? E o se no la se fina no dan yi wa ya fe no wa la ho wa yakugbe ni aru ma po ni ma kugbe ni ma ya ti go badole doji Any my do ya nado, nado ya mwedoria. Go ni yiriba. Irina udlao. Eke book na all do too much be. Tijo boro na ha ti a unigbi akugbe ate a uyobo nigbi. Na ro ya ro bi live video. Ugbe gbedo na gbe live video. Wala wa si obowo. Wa si obowo. Okpa ika. Asi mo to pa ika ya me. Ya tie a baby man no understand. I chase my babe. My catch my babe. I worry. Ya position understand. So what? You know, no bag no send there go man. I need that number so that I go fit talk to her one on one. So that we fit run things. You feel me so? That is the reason why we are there. A chairman, social media chairman, what talk by booking not mama will be. You understand? We need peace. Am I God? All this why something they talk and small, but this one is a bold action. I'm not saying it just to come prisoner. I am not happy with the way I am saying things. You understand? So as a leader, I have to embrace peace. And that's why I'm embracing peace. But you people should not pull my leg to come out with my weapon. Because I am too butter. No. Yes, not tie that woman the armless gentleman was see my yakko my via qua. So you water, water. You understand? So I to a PC, a kubi, a mangolo, the drama, Duama, a maji. You understand? Or dole was your bar, even that woman would be. In one way or the other, one I would where we go back to the doji, where we tell you so, no, a day where we weak with depression, where we weak depression, or you go, can no more, can no more, is your boy, why are ye? Why you are at in what you boy you tell one off where bomb manua, where can not be working on no master work more, kuaba, even not bomb will be. Can I really Paris there? You should know your mother, how is man, Yuri are damn you, Lao, il live on a budding. A platform you were, can we give you yahu, our you demata. Do you know ya with ogie, give ya ogie, and I am more do good talk. And I am more do good talk. Platform you were, when we could do any, I do your wood demata, and I am more do good talk, who do it in a way. And what I had because me the platform we comment, you know, speaking to and talking to. If I mean, Muna, you know, you're a man of speaking to, a man of talking to. You understand? So my sister, how in a way, you know, no ya give my gear, you know, ya go, and I am where do you do good talk. And yes, so haro, no the platform we do massive because if there is so no the platform where ya we so no the call. I will man take me anyone so no the call. Yuri in anyone. We don't say no anyone in anyone, don't want more and yammy. When you are going to so me platform you were. Oh, you are could be watching boy with on my bionoma. You want to take a padam a padam palayon wa guayana in a tea. You are even here going. It's a moon. It's a more fear on a year here, a really boo, a really booze. And whining no yarry, a good so way. Even looking at that. And let's all know soon we live video. Message guayo. You can have any way, in young guay. Even though you can't be no, you know, one more cagbo. You know, what cagbo, I don't have one way after cagbo. It check my better than not our journal. Even looking at Mugi, Wano. I are Tawa. I are Tawa Cagbo with the Ayagebo. You understand? There are some ways that the ancestors will sit on. Everyone here pass a live video. Also, if I why I be. I'm telling you, there are some people, family, we don't fuck with them. Fuck with them. And we're not going to talk about it. We're not going to have a live video. If I go out with me, where can you watch my live video? These are the things when the boomer have a live video. Every year have a live video. There are things that will come to your table when we know all the family know. I mean, if I'm not going to go and I cook you on cake, we are going to have a live video. We can family anywhere. We had the one that live do live video. Who were here? Who would do good? No, they had a live video. Wakabo agimi wakata, especially ihu no liyekeyo. You understand? Any suro no makeken wagbunu we live video. Akemeta. Any swan funyes no do I say hindrance. Only wo yanga. You life in boom. Wow, wow, ho. Kakabo we mo ya fefe. Waya wato, even na mama wagbi, Bona no wala ina oge no ma wa mi. Wa kian na gbe wa kian na no ma se ba gbon a ko wa ba. No ma be mi odo oga mi odo unda odo sara wa do lu nyime yi wa ya gwa lodo wa gwa lu nyime. Onyime aro odo gwa lu wa kian. Onyime na gba no ku odo kian yin awe. Wa ga gwa lodo wa gwa lu nyime. Wa ni gba no be gwa lo ku wa ga gwa lo ku wa gwa lu nyime. Gba ni bu won nyime gba ni bu sakan gbe. Ye deni gba ni bu ya di bu deni egewe do ya di bu deni gba kakabo. Gba ni bu nya kolo agbe. Gba ni bu agun awe ni ma so di ma agun. Oyi ko ko ne pia. Eri mani bu so yi. Mani bu ni ma gbe won yi to ze. You understand? So wa kakabo la ho. Tu na ya gbe gbe no ya de ku. There are things no keke no bia wu. Wo de ku. There are things no keke no wu ma de ku. Ogegwe wo bia ku 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, we can ya go kan wa. We Africa shop. Wa nwe vino. O ma gbo no ya de ku. Almost years already. So there are some categorically, there are some characteristics of a married man. So if you want to marry, first of all, go and learn the characteristics of a married man. I will come on my live screen and educate people about it. Follow this page. This is Men One Talk Show. What the page now? Because if Facebook, you have one, I cannot be doing my live video on Facebook. You understand? If you send me friends request now, I'm not going to accept you. But like and follow this page so that you will see me 247. We're here at all. Even not going to work. We're at work. Oba at work.